An NAIA porter returns a lost baggage with $10,000 or around 565,000 pesos worth of cash. The man was identified as Victor Perez, a NAIA employee for 32 years. Manila International Airport Authority or MIAA reported that Perez immediately surrendered the money at the Lost and Found office. Authorities returned the lost cash to a Korean claimant after verification. In a separate incident, MIAA also recognized NAIA security guard Albert Bautista for returning a bag with 1.4 million pesos worth of belongings. The two are said to be awarded by MIAA for their integrity.
Some good news from their end.
Good news. You know,
kasi for the past couple of weeks, ang mga binabalita natin sa NAIA mga medyo bad publicity
kaya
diba?
Kaya sabihin, not everyone sa in any place.
Wag i-generalize.
Pero it's nice to see people like this kasi malaking, alam mo yung value ng 565,000 saka 1.4 million, hindi nila kikitain sa isang taon yan.
Oo, kahit magtumbling-tumbling ka dyan, hindi lalabas dyan.
For people na medyo nahihirapan sa buhay, that would have made the difference and made their life comfortable. But they chose to have their integrity intact and then by doing the right thing.
Exactly. Kaya kudos, di ba? Sana mas dumami pa yung mga ganyan katulad ni Kuya.
Mag-resist na temptation na ganyan, di biro yan.
Kaya din, di ba, yung mga napapabalita din ng mga taxi drivers or yung mga cab drivers na nagsasauli ng mga gamit, laptop, o maraming ng ganyan. So, there's hope in humanity, ika nga.
Oo naman.
Pero yun nga, kasi napakagandang balita nito dun sa side nga ng airport natin because, as I've said earlier, napakarami din mga mga negative na balita na pinag-uusapan natin dito. Andun yung issue ng mga daga, surot,
tsaka yung mga daga,
yung mga personnel na kumakain ng pera.
Yung mga daga nga, ginawa pang issue na may destabilization plot sila kay PBBM.
Oo.
Pati yung mga rat nagkaroon ng issue.
Pero eto, napakagandang balita yan.
Good news, good news. Sana tularan ng marami yan.